It's time for Nutrition Weekly, brought to you by our friends at United Supermarkets. I'm Chad Hasty, and with me today, corporate dietitian for the United Family of Stores, it's Brenda Garcia. Brenda, how are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Time keeps on moving, and we're getting later and later into the month.
I know we're kind of staring end of the summer in just right there. It's in our face. I can't even believe it. And I think most of us are kind of ready for that little bit of a break in there.
Yeah.
But I thought I would talk through a few kind of end of the summer thoughts and some fun stuff. And so one of the things that lots of people enjoy are freezer smoothies. And what I mean by that is you kind of pre-pack everything into little baggies and you throw it in the freezer, and that way you grab it and you just throw it in the blender and you're good to go on a freezer bag of smoothies. So the great thing about it is you can use, maybe you've got some fruit that's about to go bad, you bought more than you ate, or you're trying to sneak in maybe a little spinach. That's a great way to get spinach into your family or maybe even yourself, especially when you stick it in there with like pineapple and blueberries, and the blueberries kind of hide the color of the green, and the pineapple gives it's a stronger flavor.
Right.
Throw some avocado in there and give it like a really creamy texture if you're looking for a little bit something creamier. So we've got all kinds of great ideas for you over at Happy and Nourished, and hopefully that makes for a great fast morning as you get out the door, or just get your day started at your desk in the living room or kitchen or wherever you may be. It's just an easy way to get the day started.
Yeah, absolutely. Freezer smoothies, pre-pack and ready to go. Brenda, thanks for your time today. Appreciate it.
You bet.